Good morning, one and all. Today I am going to teach about DIT algorithm, that is the decimation in time algorithm, which is shortly spelled as DIT algorithm. First of all, here we have tried the formula, that is discrete Fourier transform formula, that is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w n power kn, where k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Next we have to split this formula into two parts, that one is even part, another one is the odd part, because in FFT algorithm we are going to split the n point DFT into smaller DFT. Large n point DFT is splitted into smaller DFT. So here we are going to split this formula into two parts, that is one is even part, another one is the odd part. When we are splitting here, we will make this n minus 1 as n by 2 minus 1. So n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of n w n power kn plus summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n w n power kn. Next step, substitute for even part n is equal to 2r. Substitute for even part n is equal to 2r, and for odd part n is equal to 2r plus 1. So in the next step, summation, this summation n we can change it as r is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of 2r into w n power k into 2r plus summation r is equal to n by 2 minus 1 into x of 2r plus 1 into w n power k into 2r plus 1. In next step, you multiply this w n power k inside. So you will get summation r is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of 2r into w n power 2r k plus summation r is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of 2r plus 1 into w n power k into w n power 2 kr. So this is the constant term, so you can take it outside. So you will get like this, a plus w n power k. So this is the equation. Next we have to simplify this Tudel factor in this formula. So Wn, we know that Wn is equal to e power minus j2 pi divided by n. So Wn in the whole square is equal to e power minus j2 pi divided by n the whole square. This can be written as e power minus j2 pi divided by n by 2. So this can be written as w n divided by 2. So w n square can be written as w n divided by 2. So this formula can be written as, that is x of k is equal to summation r is equal to n by 2 minus 1 into x of 2r into w n power 2rk can be written as w n by 2 power rk plus w n power k into summation r is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 into x of 2r plus 1. Here also you can write it as w n by 2 or k. So next we can take this as g of k and this as h of k. So you will get it as this term g of k plus w n power k into h of k. So now you can substitute the value for k. K is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So here k value is 0 to n minus 1 we have the value of n as 8. We are taking as 8. So k is equal to 0 to 7. So we can write it as, we can substitute the values for k from 0 to 8. So when k is equal to 0, x of 0 is equal to g of 0 plus wn power 0 into h of 0. When k is equal to 1, x of 1 is equal to g of 1 plus wn power 1 into h of 1. When k is equal to 2, x of 2 is equal to g of 2 plus wn power 2 into h of 2. When k is equal to 3, x of 3 is equal to g of 3 plus wn power 3 into h of 3. When k is equal to 4, x of 4 is equal to g of 4. g of 4 is equal to g of 0. We are using the symmetry property. So g of 0 plus wn power 4 into h of 4. When k is equal to 5, g of 1, that is g of 4 is equal to g of 1. So plus wn power 5 into h of 1. Here also h of 0, that is h of 0 is equal to h of 4, h of 1 is equal to h of 5. When k is equal to 6, x of 6 equal to g of 6, that is equal to g of 2 plus wn power 6 into h of 2. When k is equal to 7, x of 7 is equal to g of 3, that is g of 7 is equal to g of 3 plus wn power 7 into h of 3. So we have derived the formula for x of 0 to x of 7. From this we can draw the first stage of butterfly diagram. We can draw the first stage of butterfly diagram. This first stage of butterfly diagram consists of two parts. The first one is n by 2 DFT point, n by 2 DFT point, n by 2 DFT point. Second one also, we have splitted already, so in the diagram also we have to split DFT point. Totally we have 8, that is n is equal to 8, so we have to draw 8 lines. First part consists of 4 lines and the second part also should consist of 4 lines. Like this way, 4 lines. This is the even part, this is the odd part. Here we can write it as x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of, this last one is x of 6, this one is x of 1, x of 3, x of 5, last one is x of 7. Okay, now you have to draw the lines. That first part of the line should start from the first part and end with the first line of the second part. So you will have like this. And the second line should start from second line of the first part and end in the second line of the second part. Like this way you have to draw the 4 lines. Again from up for upward direction also you have to draw. This is the structure. It looks like the structure of butterfly. So it is called butterfly diagram. Okay. Now we can write here g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, g of 3. Here also h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3. Then here Tudel factor wn power 0, wn power 1, wn power 2, wn power 3, wn power 4, wn power 5, wn power 6, wn power 7, and the output is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. And here we have the arrows like this way for the last 4 lines. So this is the first stage of the butterfly diagram. So remaining part we can see in the next class. That's all. Thank you.